Gold has always been a symbol of power, wealth, and mystery. But what if it could be manufactured, or let's say created, atom by atom? That's exactly what a startup in Silicon Valley claims they've done. In this video, we'll see exactly how it's made and why this could be one of the biggest scientific breakthroughs of our time. Well, let's find out. Humans have been obsessed with turning other things into gold for over 2,000 years. This dream is called alchemy, the ancient idea that you could magically convert base metals like lead or mercury into gold. Even the famous scientist Isaac Newton, the gravity guy, was secretly trying to do it. But here's the thing, alchemy always failed, because the real difference between metals is at the atomic level, something alchemists didn't understand back then. To truly turn mercury into gold, you'd need to change the number of protons inside an atom's nucleus, something only nuclear physics can do. That's where marathon fusion steps in. So talking about fusion, fusion is the process that powers the sun and stars. It happens when two small atoms, usually hydrogen isotopes called deuterium and tritium, are smashed together at extreme temperatures, over 100 million degrees Celsius. Now listen this carefully. When they fuse, they create helium and release neutrons, which are tiny high-energy particles. Those neutrons are like little bullets flying out from the reaction. And that's exactly what marathon fusion wants to use to trigger gold. Okay, now comes the gold-making process. They take mercury, 198, that's just a common type of mercury atom, and bombard it with the neutrons from a fusion reactor, which then turns it into mercury, 197, which is a slightly unstable version. And guess what happens next? It naturally decays into gold, 197, as the real stable kind of gold that's found in your jewelry. This is called nuclear transmutation, changing one element into another by altering its nucleus. Marathon Fusion says this process could create 5,000 kilograms of gold per year from just 1 gigawatt-sized fusion plant. That's over $600 million worth of gold every single year. Now hold on. Let's not get too excited just yet. This method has not yet passed peer review, meaning other scientists haven't officially verified it. Also, some of the gold created might be slightly radioactive and could need to be stored safely for up to 18 years before use. And finally, fusion itself is still not fully commercialized. Only a few pilot fusion reactors exist today. Most are still experimental, but still, if this works, gold may no longer be rare.